Hello students, welcome back to the science class. Today we are going to discuss about concept 4 of force, work and energy chapter. In this concept we will discuss about simple machines. So let's go. Dear children, as you have already studied about simple machines in class 4, so do you know what are simple machines? Yes, you guessed it right. Simple machines are the devices which make our work easier and faster. I repeat, simple machines are the devices which make our work easier and faster. There are so many types of simple machines like inclined plane, lever, wedge, screw, pulley, and wheel and axle. First, we will discuss about lever. Do you know what is a lever? Dear children, a lever is a simple machine that turns around a fixed point. I repeat, a machine that turns around a fixed point is known as lever. As you can see in this picture. But what does a lever do? A lever helps us to do more work by applying less force, and this makes our work easier. It consists of three parts: load, fulcrum, and effort. Let us discuss about each part in detail. The object on which the work is to be performed is called load. The force applied on a lever to lift the load is called effort. The fixed point on which a lever turns is called fulcrum. I hope you all must have understood about the parts of lever. Now let us discuss about the classes of lever. Children, there are three classes of lever: first class lever, second class lever, and third class lever. First, let us discuss about first class lever in detail. Dear children, in first class levers, the fulcrum is in between the load and the effort. As you can see in the picture, this is the picture showing first class lever where fulcrum is in between load and effort. Some examples of first class levers are seesaw, crowbar, and scissors. Now let us discuss about second class lever. In second class lever, the load is in between the fulcrum and the effort. Like in this picture, you can see it is of a second class lever and the load is in between the fulcrum and the effort. Some examples of second class lever are bottle opener, where the cap in between acts as load; nutcracker, where nut which is in between acts as load; wheelbarrow. So children, these were the examples of second class lever. Now let us discuss about third class lever. In third class lever, the effort is in between the fulcrum and the load. As you can clearly see in this picture? Some examples of third class lever are stapler, ice tongs, and forceps. Children, this is all about lever. Now let us discuss about the next type of simple machine, which is inclined plane. Inclined plane is a simple machine that has a sloping surface. You must have seen in hospitals, inclined planes are provided so that wheelchairs carrying patients can be easily pushed. Other examples of inclined planes are slides, which you can easily see in the park, then ramps, sloping wooden surface or planks. You must have seen the wooden planks are attached to a truck to lift the heavy boxes. Children, with the help of these planks, the boxes can easily slide over it and it reduces our effort. So, this is all about inclined plane. Now, let us discuss about another type of simple machine, which is a screw. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a rod. I hope you all must have seen it. A screw looks like a nail with grooves into it. Children, a screw can hold things together very tightly. It provides a better grip than a nail. A screw jack is an example of a screw and it is used to lift heavy vehicles. I hope you all must have seen a screw jack. Another type of simple machine which we will discuss today is wedge. A wedge is a V-shaped piece. It is made up of two inclined plane joined back to back. Wedges are used to cut and split things. Dear children, some examples of wedge are axe, then we have knife and blade, and it is used to cut and split the things. I hope it is clear to you all. Another type of simple machine which we will discuss today is wheel and axle. Children, a wheel and axle is a simple machine made up of a wheel that turns around a rod called axle. The best example for wheel and axle which we can give is the doorknob which everyone has at home. You can clearly see in this picture how this arrangement looks like. Children, with this arrangement, it takes less force to move something. And some other examples of wheel and axle are a screwdriver, which everyone must be having at home. Then we have sewing machines, giant wheels, and the steering wheels of the car. Children, now let us discuss about another type of simple machine, which is a pulley. So, uh, children, a pulley is a simple machine made from a wheel that is wrapped with a cord or rope, and it rotates about an axle fixed to a support. A pulley changes the direction of force and it makes it easy to lift the objects. You can see the in the picture you can see how a pulley looks like. Children, in order to lift the load up the object in order to lift up the object, you need to apply force in downward direction. As you can see in the picture, children, do you know where is pulley used? Okay, it is used in so many places, like to draw water from the well. As you can see in the picture, there is a pulley attached at the on the rod, and it is also used to lift other heavy objects in the factories. And we also use a pulley in the flag hoisting. Children, you can see there at the top there is a pulley around which the rope is wrapped, and even it is used in window blinds. So children, that's all about simple machines. Now let us quickly discuss about complex machines. A complex machines are made up of several simple machines, and they are also known as compound machines. Some examples of compound machines or complex machines are cycle, robot, car, aeroplane, so many other complex machines which we use at home are air conditioners, refrigerators, washing machines, televisions, etc. So, children, today we have finished this chapter. Go through the previous videos for the better understanding of the concepts. Thank you so much, children. See you all in my next class. Have a good day.